Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I just wanted to give you a nice little reset movement flow that you can do to make your neck and shoulders just feel better. And all you do is get a trusted towel or mat of your choice, lay on your belly, kind of relax, and now you're going to gently press your head down into the floor and inhale. And as you exhale, just completely relax your neck and try to melt into the floor. And then inhale and gently press your head down into the floor. And as you exhale, just completely relax and try to melt all the tension away. And then switch sides. Gently press your head down into the floor as you inhale, and then exhale and completely relax. And then again, gently press your head down into the floor and completely relax as you exhale. And then just relax. Pull air all the way down into your belly with your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And as you exhale, just search your neck and shoulders for tension and let it go. And maybe you take about 3 to 5 breaths or 10 here, and then you switch sides. Completely relaxed. And as you exhale, just try to melt away any tension that you find in your neck and shoulders for about 3 to 5 breaths or more, whatever feels good. And then you're going to raise your head just off the floor so that your nose is just off the floor. And very gently, and try to make the motion smooth. You just look side to side using your eyes. Look left with your eyes. Look right with your eyes. Let your head follow. And if you want, you can do a nice little gentle, just let your cheek brush the floor as you do this. So you're just tapping the floor. Or you can hold it just off the floor. And then we're going to go up and down. Use your eyes up, eyes down, eyes up, eyes down. Still breathing, don't hold your breath. And now you're going to prop yourselves up, so you're going to put your hands on the floor, and you're going to relax your elbows, and you're going to look over your left shoulder and let your right shoulder rotate down towards the floor. Look over your right shoulder, let your left shoulder rotate down towards the floor. This should feel pretty daggone nice. So you're looking over with your eyes. Let that shoulder that's following internally rotate, go down towards the floor. Keep your hands nice and relaxed. You may find this feels very good on your upper back too. Shoulders tend to love this though, and it's very relaxed. And then prop yourself up a little more, get tall through your sternum, and look left and right over your shoulders now. Still breathing deep into your belly. And now we're going to kind of do like a dance with your head and neck and shoulders, and you're just going to tilt your head one way. Let your weight shift. Tilt your head the other way. Let your weight shift. You can get taller on your elbows if you want. And you just let your shoulders follow your head. Do this enough, eventually you'll be an awesome dancer. But it does feel good. And then you can back your shoulders down if you want, or your forearms out from your body. And you just follow your head. Loosey-goosey, and then stretch back out and internally rotate your shoulders again, nice and relaxed, and then stretch back out. And then ultimately just lie down and breathe. Exhale, search for any tension 3 to 5 times on one side or more, whatever you feel like. And then 3 to 5 times on the other side. Anyway, that's a simple little reset neck and shoulders flow that you can do to help loosen up your neck or just help get away tension, melt away tension in your neck and shoulders. Feels good, and obviously it feels good to feel good. That's the point, right? So, but try that. If you have tension up in your neck and shoulders, just set aside some deliberate time, maybe 5 minutes, to breathe deep into your belly and just work and move your neck around and see if you can melt excess tension away as you exhale and as you lightly and gingerly move your neck and shoulders. All right, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.